Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Briszell and I am moving. So this first apartment, I liked the layout of it. I wasn't really a fan of the kitchen, but one of the features that I thought was really cool was they had a trash valet service. So all I had to do was set my trash can outside and somebody was going to pick up my trash for me. So I didn't even have to empty my own trash. Now this next apartment was nice and spacious. It most definitely had all of the storage that I was looking for in an apartment. The patio for this apartment was absolutely huge. It was amazing. Now, this next apartment, you guys, is the best apartment I have looked at. Out of all of the apartments, this is the most modern, up-to-date, beautiful apartment. I absolutely loved everything about this apartment. The size was around 600 and so square feet, so it was a little bit smaller, but when it comes to the layout, when it comes to the way the cabinets look, when it comes to the bathroom, you guys, this is the most updated apartment I have come across, and I was in love. It is nice. Now, this last apartment I'm going to show you guys, out of all 4 of the apartments, if I had to pick an apartment, right, it would be the third apartment, but this last apartment would be the second choice for me to pick. I love the layout, I love the space, I loved how much natural light came into the apartment. It was just amazing. I love this apartment so much. If you guys did enjoy any of the apartments, let me know which one was your favorite apartment that I have toured. Let me know. Leave a comment down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed and you want to be, don't forget to hit the subscription button down below, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And until next time, bye, guys.